In the previous lecture, we have seen how to create detail views API. Now, in this lecture, we'll see how to create list view API. Welcome. This is the book detail view which we have seen in the last session, and now we'll see a list view. That means the books which we have already created in the admin will display the list over here. Okay, fine. So let's go to the Sublime Tags editor, and in the serializers.py, okay, we need to define one class just like this, and just copy this and paste it just like detail view, and we'll change the name. Instead of book detail, we'll use book list, and we need to display all the fields. If you want, you can change the field names and you can specify the specific fields which you want to display. And after that, we need to import this in the books API. So just like detail, we need to import list serializers. Okay, and just like retrieve view, we need list API view. Okay, so this is the default which is provided by the Django, and list view. And one more interesting stuff is that is authenticated, okay, which we'll use, and I'll show you how to use this. And just copy this and paste it, and instead of retrieve view, we'll use list view, list API view, and we'll use this. Okay, fine. And lookup field is not required as we are not passing any regular expressions. So okay, allow. I don't want to allow any. I want only authenticated user to see this API. Okay, so just is authenticated, and instead of book detail, I'll use book list. Okay, serializer class. Fine. And after that, we need to define the URL just like this list. Okay, so list, and instead of book list, I need this name is list. Okay, so instead of this, I need book list API view, book list, and just copy this book list, and okay, dot as underscore view. Okay, fine, which is pretty much important. Okay, list. Great. So just save this and go to the terminal. Okay, run the server. We have seen how to create list view API